Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can block any subscription payment, that being automatic subscription payment, on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now, to block automatic subscription payments on Revolut, you would first need to open the app, and then once you're on your default home screen, you should be able to see the transaction tab right here. So let's go ahead and open the transaction tab. Now, once you're on the transaction tab, you would first need to find the recurring payments that you would like to block. So let's go ahead and do this. So let's say this Anthropic payment, that's a subscription. So I will select that. After you selected that, you would need to first tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and then mark this as a subscription. Now, once it's marked as a subscription, you can go ahead and tap on block future payments. You should be able to see this option once you open any transaction. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Then you would need to just tap block subscription right here, or you can even block the merchant. But if you have any other subscriptions with this merchant, then all of those subscriptions or recurring payments will also be blocked. So if you only want to block this specific payment, then just tap on block subscription right here, and then just go ahead and confirm this. And from now on, that recurring payment will be blocked. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.